What if I told you the secret to a cooler, healthier city isn't hidden underground, but growing right above your head? It's not sci-fi. It's not a fantasy. It's a simple, living technology that could save cities from literally cooking themselves to death. Cities are ovens, at asphalt and glass trap heat, driving urban temperatures up by 7 to 10 degrees. It's not just uncomfortable, it's deadly. Heat waves already kill thousands each year, and if we do nothing, by 2050, cities could become nearly unlivable. Living roofs cool cities in three powerful ways. First, plants act like tiny air conditioners through evaporative cooling. Second, they insulate, blocking heat from reaching buildings. Third, they're stormwater superheroes, soaking up rain and preventing floods. In Singapore, skyscrapers are wrapped in greenery. Toronto requires green roofs on new buildings. Chicago's green rooftops drop surrounding temperatures by several degrees. And now, new materials are making them lighter, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Living roofs save money, lower cooling bills, boost property values, and improve health. Communities gain new green spaces, biodiversity thrives, and stress levels drop just from seeing greenery. These rooftops aren't just structures, they're life support systems. Here's the best part. You don't need a mega project. DIY kits and incentives make small-scale green roofs possible for homeowners. If cities adopt them en masse, we spark an urban renaissance, where rooftops turn into living ecosystems, cooling the world one block at a time. So the question is no longer if cities will turn green. It's how fast. Would you turn your roof into a living ecosystem? Tell us in the comments. And if you believe our cities deserve to breathe again, share this video. The revolution is already growing, one rooftop at a time.